What's good, YouTube? I don't know if I should try to make these videos more high quality or if I'm just chilling the way it is right now. On TikTok, it's quantity over quality, but on YouTube, it might be the other way. But I'm gonna try to do like 30 videos this month. But anyways, we're going to the Basketball Hall of Fame because they have some sneaker event right now. Probably won't buy a single thing because I'm not really into sneakers anymore, but there's like 2 TikTokers there, so we're gonna link with them. I'm just waiting for Armani to get in the car and he's taking forever. Like 20 minutes. This kid comes out, winks at me. He's got a coffee. I don't even know how or why or whatever.
What's going on, baby? Let's get this bread, huh?
Oh my God.
Hall of Fame, baby, let's go.
Alright, yeah.
We came in flexed up. Okay.
Alright.
Stop playing.
Alright, relax.
You guys have tickets?
No, I hit the guy after like a media pass.
What was that?
A media pass.
Alright.
Okay. Literally just too much cap.
Yo, it literally all cap.
A media pass. I got like 10 followers on TikTok.
Remember these guys?
This guy.
Hey, what's happening?
That's just a comedy, right?
I'll let you do it. Like it's fine.
Alright, so.
Or like have me.
Wait, did
do. Oh yeah. Our job just push you to the table. Like, yo, chill.